not a technical channel, but still I want to share with you guys that I bought iPhone 12 Pro Max. Oh my, so happy that I get my hands on this beauty, and this is so beautiful. Can you see this? And I was not particularly sure and made my mind that मुझे blue color लेना ही है. I'm very thankful to each and every one of you who chose to subscribe to my channel and who used to leave their comments down below. Thank you so much. And ये technical channel में convert नहीं होने वाला है. So yeah, please keep that in mind. This video is just about sharing my happiness and my feelings. So yeah, I will see you all super soon in my next video, probably next week. Till then, take care, bye bye. And yeah, happy Diwali guys, because today is Diwali and I'm shooting this video in the very same day. So happy Diwali.